we're about to head over to Louisiana to pick up that motor. I got my friend here, Andy.
That's good.
You know, he's gonna help me out. Thank you very much, Andy, for showing up.
No problem.
And you know, doing me this favor. I think we're gonna have some fun going to Shreveport, Louisiana, and we're about to pick up the motor. So I'll see you guys there. What's going on, guys? So we just took the 3-4 hour road trip from Houston all the way to Louisiana. Welcome to the city of Louisiana. We're over here at the shop. Obviously we came in a little late, but they did some special considerations for us to get our engine despite after hours. So thank you guys very much. Bro Andy there, big MVP guy. So we'll just wait, you know, maybe, just maybe they can give us a tour around, who knows. So I'm not gonna have to come down to this great state of Louisiana anymore, right? I'm not gonna have to come down to this great state of Louisiana anymore, right? You guys did a good job on that motor? All right, well I hope so, sir. I would shake your hand, but nice to meet you. Yes, sir. High five. That's the spec sheet. Thank you, sir.
Everything's in there.
Okay.
All the extra the stuff for the stud and everything.
Okay. You the owner?
Huh?
You the owner?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you're the big man to run the whole show, eh?
Kinda.
Yeah. We're
How you doing?
came all the way from Houston, so I mean it's
Yeah, I used to make that. I used to come down to the walk shop down in Houston. You know where that's at?
Oh, okay. What's this bolt?
That goes into for the widget tray. I mean,
Okay, for the pickup.
pickup.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got a stud in there, and you screw that. You know, there's a long, usually.
Right. Did you put that in there, or you?
No, you put the stud in.
Yeah.
Right? You have to put your stop one back on there, and that screws into that.
Right.
With the window tray.
Oh.
The oil pump.
Right. Awesome. All right. Well, we'll figure it out. Here. Whew, how heavy is this? It's not heavy? All right, let's do it. This is a crazy investment.
And I'll move this out of the way, and then you're
All right, let's do it.
Ready? Go.
Don't drop it.
Lay it down on that, just slide it in.
Yeah, let me go in and I'll have to slide in, okay?
Okay. Pick it up.
Pick up on the left side, my side.
Like, no, let it slide in like it did.
Okay.
Yeah. Then lift it up from. Can you?
Yeah, I'll get in here.
I don't know how much leverage you got.
Okay, what do you want me to do? Lift it up?
There we go.
It's heating or something. Okay.
You want to lay that back like that?
Yeah.
Here, slide it more towards me. There you go. Perfect.
Okay.
We're good.
Yeah, like that. There.
All right. And it's braced on the.
That's it. Stay right there, aren't you?
Yes, sir. Awesome. Woo. Well, I didn't get that fancy picture because it's all wrapped up, but I'll get it later.
Yeah, we'll get it later. This is our hold that door open.
Okay.
Just a little bit. I'll see if I can. Well, wait a minute. Yeah, I got this little light, which is hard to do around these 6-cylinders right here.
You gonna put a light?
Yeah. He's got the light.
Thanks for showing us around.
Yeah. All right. Is that a coyote, bro? No, that's not. Oh, nice. This is the assembly room. Nice. So you guys.
That's a 1933 model Chevrolet truck right there.
Figured that'd be out of the truck. It's huge.
How many cylinders is that?
6.
Oh, okay. It's an inline 6.
the other one right there is out of a 54 Corvette we got across next door.
Okay.
Restoration project. The one that's
The one sitting on the cart right there?
Yeah.
From
So how long you guys been doing coyotes? You guys, coyote blocks?
we've been doing it for about 10 years.
10 years? Oh, nice, nice.
We got
The shop where I got my head ported. What's going on, Sean?
How's it going?
Hey.
Oh man, you ready to make some power?
Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. So this is Sean Hooper, I believe.
Yep. That's
And this is Hooper Heads. I trusted them and I gave them my heads to port for my build, and you know, I love the work they do. I've seen pictures, and you know, we're here to check out the facility and see what they've got, and hopefully get you guys an idea of if you want to bring your car here, you can come over here and bring your heads and so on and so forth.
Sure. Yeah. I mean, this is our new shop.
Okay.
I worked at another place for a long time.
Mhm.
I actually was an instructor for a long time too.
Sam's.
At Samtech.
Okay.
Yeah, awesome place. I did most of the work on all of our record-setting cars.
Mm-hmm.
We've slowed down a little on the racing, and I got married and had kids,
Mhm.
and decided, you know what, I want to do some more, right? I want to do some more cylinder heads, whatnot.
Mm-hmm.
Specialized way more in LS stuff forever,
Mm-hmm.
and we got a few builds come in with these Coyotes, and
Mm-hmm.
you know, it's like Ford finally did something right.
Right.
You know, so we've
I'm not gonna take that as an offense there.
I'm gonna tell you, I worked on our SN95 at the school
Oh,
forever,
yeah.
and I have this secret like love for them.
Yeah.
Right, I love those cars so much. I have a Fox body,
Yeah.
so I mean, but these Coyote things came out, you know, and it's like they have something now.
Yeah.
They have a cylinder head on these things. They make a stupid amount of power,
Yeah.
and we dove in, you know, head and feet
Mm-hmm.
into getting these things. We've done a bunch of cars with a bunch of records now,
Mm-hmm.
and really got into a lot of things from even doing the cam caps. We actually have our own line of cam caps that we're almost going to release. We have a set in the actually assembly room that's actually finished.
Mm-hmm.
These ones basically are just getting the front cam caps because they actually got misplaced, but
Right.
that's besides the point.
Yeah.
But these are second gen set of heads, just kind of like yours that are
Right.
ported, and we threw on the MMR caps on those. We will be offering our own here pretty soon.
Awesome.
This is our shop though. We've got our Haas 5-axis machine over here. That's
Now-
where we do all the magic, basically. That's where we do all the porting. In here, we don't. It's not actually running at the moment because
Right.
it just stopped before you got here.
Okay.
But it does all the 5-axis machining. It's a horizontal machine
Mm-hmm.
that basically has a rotary for A and B
Okay.
to do the porting.
Okay.
That's what we switched from doing mainly late model stuff, right?
Okay.
Hemis, Coyotes,
Mhm.
LS stuff. That's what we've mainly focused on,
Okay.
and doing a lot of R&D even for other companies and port
Mhm.
development, stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
And we got basically all of our other equipment, our valve jobs, seat and guide machines.
That's
all
what
of
that is.
Yep,
Okay.
I had. This is our son, and I've actually had this old girl for a long time. I actually had this whole shop for about 4 years out of my
Okay.
garage.
Okay.
So when we moved in here, we've been here for about 4 months now. We
Okay.
finally made the big leap and was able to buy our big CNC machine. We've been leasing one for
Mhm.
a while.
Mm-hmm.
So we finally were able to jump out there and actually purchase one.
Yeah.
And we've got 2 seat and guide machines. We've got our son in, and we have a Rottler style that's kind of set up as a live pilot machine.
Okay.
It cuts pretty killer valve jobs and real fast.
Okay.
But again, we have all of our equipment that we set up with it. We've got our surfacer, all that. We use a PCD cutter in there to get the best looking finish you ever can get on an aluminum cylinder head.
Okay.
We don't really mess with anything cast iron just because everything late model.
Right.
Where there's a lot to having 2 Venturis. right? And especially with it, what it does to the power curve, because by having 2 Venturis in there, it really widens that power band. And what it allows you to do, one big problem we get when we get a big old monster valve in there is it's really shrouded, right? Where if I can get 2 of them in here, right, I can, sure, it's shrouded on the sides here, but on the middles there, we have a tremendous amount of area around that valve to flow. So it really helps basically your average flow, and by having 2 chokes in there, it really helps that mid and low lift flow, because it helps the air move in the proper direction.
Right.